my good people. You've all been waiting for the first episode of Cooking with Fred. You like my awesome cooking outfit? Are you ready to start the video? Well, you see here, this is the first video ever of Cooking with Fred, and it's always going to be the first. Well, the first is always the best, to be completely honest, but this is my shop. I haven't opened it yet, but it will be opened pretty soon. See, I sell good food, delicious food. Everybody wants to come here when they first see it. When it's open, people are going to come running in, and then when they taste my food, they're going to keep coming back, and the money's going to roll in. Alright, but whatever. No refunds here, so if you come here, no refunds, because my food's amazing and I don't accept refunds. So yeah, let's start. Alright, so first of all, you're going to need yourself a bowl. I just have a bowl. Then you're going to need to pop a zit. Alright, so you pop your zit. Alright, now when you got the zit popped, pour the pus in. Alright, peeps, pus is in. See it? It's in there. Gross, I have so many zits. That's how much zits I had and it pus. Ew, there's pus all over my floor. Waiter! Waiter! There's pus in my floor! I hate my job. Oh, if you're wondering, she was the cat, the tiger one, but I didn't get her. I wanted her. Please, someone help me. I don't want to work for Fred. Okay, I don't want to work for Fred. His food is disgusting. He made me try one once, and oh my goodness, yuck! I gotta tell myself, too, I'm pretty ugly. Just like Fred. Alright, people, now that mess is cleaned up, what you want to do is now you want to go get yourself a pet monkey. Alright, I got my pet monkey. Now what you want to do is you want to cut it open. And then you see the yellow in its stomach? That's from eating so much bananas. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pour the stomach banana fluid into your bowl. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, I can't wait till people eat this. Oh. Alright, that's what it should look like in there. Get your monkey out of here. It smells delicious. It's in there. Alright, next. You get yourself a piece of paint that came off your paint stuff. Yeah, you want to especially put that in there. Yeah, you want to mix that. Yeah, get it in there. Yeah. Oh. That smells so good. Oh. All right. Sweet and sour, I think. Nah, I think it's just gonna be sour. But whatever. Next, you want to, just put your paws in there. I'm going to do this off camera because I got to mix it. Alright guys, what you want to do is you're going to mix it, collide it into a bone, and then it'll look just like a bone. 2 hours later. Alright people, it's been in the oven. It's rock hard. This is what your result's going to be. Now what you want to do is you want to come over here to your bucket. Stick it in that bucket. Then you want to make another batch with what you have left over. So, okay, for real, guys, this kind of stinks, like, really bad, but I'd do anything for you guys. Alright, I got the mixer spoon. Now, Alright, now I'm going to mix dreadful. You see that? That's what it is going to look like. Ugh. Alright, I'm going to go do this off camera again. 2 hours more later. Here, guys. Here it is. It's here. Now what you want to do is you want to stick that in there too. There, they look like bones. Now what you want to do with the bowl is you want to go hide it, because you still have leftovers, and then you can make more later. Now what you want to do is you want to open your shop. You want to open it. Now you just want to go wait at the front desk up here, and you just want to wait for people to come in. Oh, I have been wanting to die to eat at a cafe before. Oh my goodness. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Are you the chef of this place? Yeah, what would you like? I think this would be perfect and delightful. Oh, good choice. I will be teaching you how to make one of those in the next video. But anyway, yeah, that's all I really wanted, sir. Alright, that's completely fine with me. You can have it, but you have to eat it here. Oh, okay. I am very sorry. I did not know. No, don't be sorry. You just may eat it here. I would like to see a reaction of the food because it's going to be delicious. Oh, I hope so. Bum, 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 bum. That's so gross. I mean, it's really good. It's so gross. That's so gross. That's so gross. Ew. Ooh. That's so gross. I mean, oh my gosh. I'll invite everyone here. Alright then. I think she liked it. I know, Noah, right? Oh, welcome to the shop. Oh, hey Fred. What you doing? I opened a cafe. Now you guys go ahead and eat. Oh, well, okay. Well then, Shiloh, are you ready to eat? Of course I am. When are we making Dares episode 3? Soon. But first of all, come on. Let's get ourselves some bones. Fred, are these bones good? Because I haven't been to your shop before. Oh, they're good. They're really good. Oh, well then, alright. I hope so. So, what was that thing you were gonna tell me, Shiloh? Oh, I really like you. Hi, guys. How is it? Oh, it's good. I haven't tasted it yet. Okay, honestly, I think she was just about to say that she likes that dude. But guess what? I like him. So if she says it, I'm just going to need to keep appearing. And that's what's going to happen. Oh, yes. So, hi guys, how's it going? Could you let her talk, please? Could you? She's about to say I like potatoes. Oh, sorry. I wasn't gonna say I like potatoes. Oh. I like you. So, how's it going? I like you. You're a cutie. Oh my god. This is basically a date for me and Shiloh. So, you back off. Back off. Oh. Don't worry, Shiloh. Now, what were you gonna say? It can wait. Okay. Don't eat it, Shiloh. Why? Tastes like pus. It tastes like pus. Ew! Tastes like pus. And monkey banana fluid. Ew! Fred! What? Pus and monkey fluid? Belly fluid? Ugh! You are the most disgusting person on earth, Fred! Oh, you want to see what it was? Yeah, fine. But if I throw up, you're cleaning it up. No. Yeah. I hate this shop. It's so disgusting. Ew! Gross. That looks like orange juice, but with a giant splat of brown in it. What is that? Oh, that's paint chips. Are you sure it's not poo? Ugh. Come on, Noah. Let's go home. Well, actually, do you want to come to my house? Oh, sure. Alright, that's all for this cooking tutorial. Bye!